Hello everyone, I'm here with a new video on top 9 calcium rich foods. When we think about calcium, the first source that comes to our mind is milk, which is easily digestible and absorbable. Milk is one of the high calcium food. Orange helps in boosting our immune system, and this magical fruit is also in the list of high calcium foods with vitamin D. Sardines are listed in foods that are rich in calcium. If you're a non-vegetarian, it is just what you need. Almonds, with stupendous 457 mg of calcium, almonds top the list of high calcium foods. These almonds are high in protein as well. Fig is a sweet, dessert-like fruit loaded with fiber and potassium, with a whopping 242 mg of calcium per 1 cup of dried fig. Cheese is a great source of protein as well as calcium, a must-have ingredient for variety of snacks. Yogurt is a dairy product which contains healthy bacteria for your gut. 400 mg of calcium in a single serving. Green leafy vegetables are rich in dietary fibers. They are one of the high calcium foods with numerous options. Enriched breads, grains and waffles is one of the best way for calcium. So that's all for today. I hope this small piece of information on calcium rich foods was useful. Like, share and subscribe for more such interesting videos. Let's eat healthy and stay healthy. Thank you.